Sylvester Mutebe umushomesa uri kushomesa abeja bino buremwa ha mibiri yabo nagira ngo abazire bindi babasa kuba batungira kuremesa ubwa ahabwembera kubambi.
From the period there, the problem, some still lack some materials to use, some requirements.
Sylvester nagira ngo abeji banabonka nubo barebukireho ahari yaba bino burema.
Out of 48 who are completed using sign language. Today, the first day, only 4 candidates or children came to report, but maybe the problem of requirements.
Reverend Francis Mugisa urumukuru w'ishomerere nagira ngo abazire bamwe nibanagijura abana bino burema babara ko batwara mu mashomero.
Children with special needs have come few, and I have realized that parents are first of all dealing with ordinary children, and they are neglecting these children with special needs. I want to tell you, all children are equal before the public and before God.
Abantu benda government yongere sente ezere kushashurira buri mweji ngweze kubahaninje munonga.
The government today is coming up to say the school should not levy any money. I have 8 children who are paid by the parents, but when the government says the parents should not pay any money, then how do I handle those teachers who are not paid by the government?
Gasha kwa Thomas tumwebaze.
Company ishatu